Never give up, not when it hurts, not when you're tired, not when your mind is screaming for you to stop. This is not the moment to quit. This is the moment that defines you. Life doesn't care about your feelings. It will hit you when you're weak. It will test you when you're exhausted. It will pressure you when you're already struggling. And it will keep pushing until you either break or become unbreakable. There is no middle ground. Most people don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they quit too early. They quit when it gets uncomfortable. They quit when the results don't show up fast enough. They quit when the pain lasts longer than expected. That's why average is crowded. You've already been through hell. You have felt disappointment. You have felt rejection. You have felt the weight of failure sitting on your chest. And you're still here. That means quitting is not your nature. Let's be honest. You don't come this far to fold under pressure. You didn't survive all that just to give up now. You didn't fight through those dark moments to stop halfway. If quitting was who you were, you would have done it already. Never give up because you're tired. Tiredness is temporary. Quitting is permanent. Your mind will lie to you. It will tell you you're not ready. It will tell you you're not good enough. It will tell you this is pointless. And that voice is fear. And fear exists to test whether you deserve the life you want or not. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is proof you're alive. Pain is proof you're pushing beyond limits. Pain is proof you're growing. If you avoid pain, you avoid progress. Most people are comfortable being average, comfortable complaining, comfortable watching others win. You're not built like this. Something inside you refuses to settle. You will have days when everything feels heavy. Days when motivation disappears. Days when you feel alone in your struggle. Those are the days that matter the most. Because champions are built on the days they wanted to quit but didn't. Never give up on a bad day. Bad days distort reality. They make temporary problems feel permanent. Make decisions when you're calm, not when you're broken. You don't need confidence. Confidence comes after action. You need discipline. Discipline is doing the work even when you feel weak. Discipline is showing up even when nobody's watching. Discipline is choosing growth over comfort. The world doesn't reward excuses. It rewards persistence. It rewards the people who get back up again and again without asking for sympathy. You will be doubted. People will question you. People will underestimate you. People will silently hope you fail. But you have to prove them wrong. Every doubt they have is fuel. Quitting won't make your life easier. It will make it heavier because regret is heavier than effort. And regret follows you everywhere. You don't need to win today. You just need to survive today. One more step, one more effort, one more decision to keep going. That's how momentum is built. Never give up because progress is slow. Slow progress is still progress. Stopping is the only real failure. There's a version of you watching this right now that is tired of starting over. That version wants you to finish this time. Don't disappoint them. You don't rise to the level of your motivation. You fall to the level of your discipline. And discipline is built through repetition. Every time you refuse to quit, you become harder to break. Every time you push through resistance, you strengthen your mind. Every time you choose effort over excuses, you separate yourself from the weak. Never give up because it's lonely. Lonely paths create strong individuals. The crowd never builds greatness. You're not here to live a soft life. You're here to build something you respect. That requires sacrifice. That requires discomfort. That requires endurance. Never give up because the outcome isn't guaranteed. Nothing meaningful ever is. One day all this pain will make sense. One day you look back and realize this was the phase that shaped you. This was the moment you refused to break. Never give up. Not today, not tomorrow, not when it gets harder. Because the person who refuses to quit always outlasts the person who relies on motivation. Stand on your ground even when it's hard, even when it hurts, even when no one believes. Never give up because you're not done. And this fight, it's yours to win.